To make this really easy microwave brownie, you'll need 1/4 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of caster sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 tablespoon of oil, 2 tablespoons of milk, 2 tablespoons of cocoa or natural cacao powder, mix well so that all ingredients are combined and there are no lumps of flour or cocoa through it. It should look like this. Place in the microwave and cook for 90 seconds. I really enjoy making these in winter. They're a really good way to keep warm. And here it is, all done. It looks more impressive in a shorter cup. Now all that's left to do is serve with your choice of cream or ice cream.